Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will show you how you can fix this keyboard problem. So if you are having this keyboard problem when you just tap on the search or any WhatsApp, so it is not showing the keyboard. Sometimes everyone in the comment section asking me about that if keyboard is not showing, how to fix this. So if you have downloaded any another keyboard from the Play Store or Apple Store, if you are deleted and if it is uninstalled, you have to download it on Play Store, and you can download the Google keyboard also if you not have. So just sign in and go to Google keyboard, then go to the settings. Here it is show you keyboard. So there are keyboard on screen keyboard. So there are, you can see this Gboard. You can enable this to activate this Google keyboard. And another setting is sometime it is glitch or bug, so it is not showing the keyboard. You have to go to the settings, click on applications, click on see all application, click on search, and right here Gboard. Tap on this Gboard, click on storage and cache, clear storage, and restart your smartphone. And if you have any update of your keyboard, then do it, and then it will work. Your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching.